Mm, Hello friends, in this video tutorial I will be explaining how to download multiple images from multiple URLs with the help of Python. So first of all you have to make a text file with all the URLs of the images you want to download. So I have made this file with all the links as text, and I saved this file as sample.txt. Now coming to the program, I have written this code to download all the images, so I'm explaining it to you. First of all, you have to import this library, which is URL library, and from the URL library we are importing request. So I will type URL library dot request, and then we are opening the text file which we have created for the links of all the images. And I am opening this file as read mode. Okay, and then I am running the loop on the sample.txt file which I have opened as a file. And then this line of code, what it will do is it will separate the whole text data which is available in this sample.txt file as a line. So we will get the first line in the sample.txt file in the stripped line named variable, and then to separate the name, which is this, from this whole URL, I will be using this line of code. So what it will do is it will remove from this slash to this h, it will remove this whole text from the link, and the remaining text is the name of the file, and we are storing the name of the file in file name variable. So I have counted from this slash to this h, there are 52 characters. So I am removing first 52 characters from this variable and storing it in this file name named variable. So I will be getting all the names of the images in file name variable, and then we will use this URL retrieve function from the request which is in the URL library. So in this function we will first pass the link of the image file which is in this variable stripped line, and then the second argument you want to pass is the path of the file you want to save. So I have made this imported marble named folder, and in this folder I will be downloading all the images. So this, and then slash, and this file name is the name of the file which I have separated from the whole link by using this command here, this script here. And then I am printing the name of the file just to know that everything is working fine. So now we will run this file. So for that I will open PowerShell window and the folder in which we are downloading images. So to run this file I will type python and the name of the file, which is new.py, and hit enter. As you can see, this is printing the name of all the files, and as well as downloading images from the URLs which I have provided in the sample.txt file. So all the images are downloaded now. So if you get any error while running this program, please let me know in the comment section. I will definitely be helping you out with all the errors you get. And also, if you have any suggestions to make video on, I will try to make videos on the topics you suggest. And thank you.